guys, it's Madeline. I hope you're all doing well. This feels super awkward. I feel like a news broadcaster standing here filming myself. But today I want to do a Shein try-on haul. I placed an order that was just over $200. Then I looked up coupon codes online, and thank God I did. There's this random code called Pop Sugar. It saved me 40 bucks, so that was pretty cool. So my total came to about $160, and I just wanted to get a bunch of summer clothes. Here I am to try them on for you guys. First of all, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. Anyways, here is my big bag of stuff. I kind of wish that they would have put it in a big box because there's so much stuff in here that it literally burst at the seams. Hopefully nothing slipped out of there. But I have not looked at anything in this yet. I wanted to unbox it with you guys, give you my true first raw impressions of it. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. It's just one of those things with Shein. Like, I have some really great pieces of clothing that I love from Shein, but some things are a complete flop, and I have returned before and the return process was fine. I got my money back, all was good. But you know, some people are just naturally a little sketched out from Shein, and that's understandable. So I ordered some shoes. These are total Fendi dupes. It is crazy. I was like, am I seeing this right now? Okay, these are actually super cute. Ooh, they stink though. I mean, they're super cute, so worth it. We'll let these air out. This is what they look like up close. See, that is like the Fendi logo. Could you imagine if these were actually Fendi? These would be like, what, $5 grand? I don't know. Everything that I show you guys will be listed and linked in the description box down below if you would like to purchase something you see for yourself. These are just labeled as slip-on knit sneakers. I got the size Euro 39. It does stink because they don't have it in US sizes, but I have ordered a pair of sandals in this size before, and they fit great. I'm about an 8.5. I did have luck with Euro 39 before, so we will try these on and see if they fit. And these were $17.94 with that coupon code Pop Sugar. I think these actually fit pretty good, and they feel okay when I walk, and I actually really like how they look. Here is what they look like on my feet. I mean, they are kind of snug, but still stretch a little bit more the more I wear them as well. So I actually really like these. So fake Fendi logo, it just says fashion on these little back tabs here. I don't know what it is, but I'm like loving these. All right, on to the next. Okay guys, I have this seriously rigged up just horribly. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. I have my camera, my tripod is like cranked all the way up to the highest setting, and I have it on a stack of books on my ironing board. So if I look crooked or anything right now, I apologize. I tried my best. Next up is another pair of sandals. These are also a smidge bit out there, but for some reason I was just drawn to them. I thought these looked super fun and summery, so hopefully they will fit good. And they are adjustable too, so that'll be nice. This is what they look like up close. I just think something about these are really cute. So these are buckle Decor ankle strap sandals, also in Euro 39, and these were only $8.18. Oh my gosh, I actually think that these are so stinking cute on. Okay, just a little disclaimer guys, you would think that doing this video and showing you guys my feet would have motivated me to paint my toenails, but it didn't. I'm so lazy about that. So this is what they look like. Oh my gosh, they fit perfectly, and they are so comfortable. Of course, they are made out of plastic, but the bottom is kind of cushiony, and the plastic is a soft plastic. It's not like a dig in your feet type of plastic. So happy with these. Again, these were only $8. I hope they look as cute on camera as they do in person, because I'm like really happy with them. Okay, after this next pair of sandals, I'll pull things out randomly, but I just kind of want to get the sandals part over with, you know? These are some knockoff, what would you even call them? The like water Birkenstocks. This is what they look like in the package. $6 for these, you guys. These are the buckle strap cutout sliders. I got them in the size large. So I was thinking that these would be perfect for kayaking, just to like throw on and have a cheap pair of shoes. Here is what they look like. So actually the Birkenstocks version of these, the real ones, aren't even that expensive either. It's like their cheapest version of Birkenstocks. But the fact fact that these are $6 is a steal. They do actually have this style at Walmart too. I saw them there after I already placed my order for these. I believe they are only $8 or $10 there. So these are awesome for the summertime. I am so mad at myself for not painting my toenails before this. Oh, these fit perfectly. I'm so happy that I'm happy with everything so far. These are so comfortable. Oh my gosh. These are just what I was looking for. They are perfect. My heel isn't off the edge. My toes aren't off the edge. They fit just right. Okay, I have to pause the haul for a little bit and talk about our newest addition to our family. No, I'm not pregnant. It's another cat. You guessed correctly. So this is our 4th cat. We are that crazy cat couple and we own it because we have rescued all of our babies. Like, my heart is so full. So I officially want to introduce my Oliver to you guys. Oliver, come here, baby. Say hi. Oh, here he is, my little Oliver. He is just the cutest little peanut. He's a little uncomfortable because this is his first day at my home. Kind of confusing for those that don't know. But Oliver was actually at my boyfriend's house. We both live with our parents right now. So Oliver was staying with him for a little while, but my mom finally let me bring him over here. My mom's not the biggest cat person. She's more of a dog person, which is okay. But this is his first official day being here with his brother and his 2 sisters. So we just gotta take it easy. I have them separated right now and then I will introduce them later. But yeah, I'm so happy. He's so cute. All right, that is it for shoes. Let's move on to the clothes that I got. All right, let's see what this one is. Oh, this is cute. This is actually really cute. Okay, so this shirt says Shopaholic because obviously that's what I am. And then it says shopping tour of 94 and it just lists off all these different cities. But I thought that this was so cute. So I am going to put this on really quick to show you guys. I'll be right back. All right, so here it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is perfect for summer. This is so cute. It's perfectly cropped. It's not overly cropped. I really like this with the mom jeans. I think it looks really cute. So this is just the letter graphic crop tee. I got the size small and this was only $7.36. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the exact color that this looked in the picture and that's what I was hoping for. Sometimes looks can be deceiving online shopping, especially on Shein, but this is the exact color that I was hoping for. I thought this would be a perfect top to wear with shorts for a summer night, like by the fire, you know, and then obviously I can wear it in the fall and winter too, so it kind of works out good. And I love that it has like bigger sleeves and then it's cuffed at the ends. So I am going to put this on. All right, so this is super cozy, just like I was hoping for. And it also fits like I was hoping for it to fit. So win-win. I do think this would be perfect for a summer night by the campfire when it's like a little bit chillier out. So this is the V-neck Bishop sleeve solid rib tee. This is in a size extra small and this was only $9. So I am pleased. Okay, so I think this is something that will at least hopefully look better on instead of just looking at it. I just love little puff sleeves like this. So, and this is what it looks like on. I actually think it's really cute. So it has a stretchy back, which is very helpful because this part is tighter. The sleeves are not ideally comfortable, but they are doable. I actually really like this. I'm kind of surprised. Like, I wasn't sure what I would think of this, but I like it. This is a really cute and fun top for summer and it fits very well. So let's see here. I will say though, the pictures online look like this is a tinge of gray. It's okay because it's cute. I like white. So this is the Organza puff sleeve twist front top. Mine is in a size small and this is $10.64. So I am happy with it. So then I bought this like coppery bronze silky top. Oh, okay. This one is definitely different. Again, I'm hoping it looks better on than it does just holding it up because it doesn't look very cute right here. But you just pull those strings down there to cinch it and then it fits you better. And then the back is like that. So, okay, I actually like this top a lot more than I thought I would. Like, this looks so fancy and elegant and cute. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe everything's working out. This top I was a little bit iffy on just because, you know, it's one of those things that you don't know what it's gonna look like on you personally, but it looks really good on the model. So this is actually really cute. It obviously needs to be ironed, but otherwise, once it's ironed, like, I really like this top. So this is the Drawstring Ruched front Shirred back satin top. And I got the size extra small, and this was $13.90. This is a yes for me. Next up, okay, I actually really like the color of this. I wasn't too sure. This looks like a mess, but maybe it'll look good on. You have to try, what the heck? Oh, okay. So you have to tie the straps together. Let's just put this on and see how it goes. Okay, so it was a definite struggle trying to get these straps figured out. And I didn't even fully get it figured out. Like, it's definitely uneven. When I took it out of the package, I wasn't so excited. I wouldn't say it fits like an extra small though, so definitely size down with this. Because it is a little bit like loose, but it's fine. It's not like everything has to be super tight. But yeah, I mean, I actually like this. I just think I would need some help with the straps. I'm having doubts about this top. Definitely would not be my first go-to. Like, it's kind of, it's a little weird. This is the Not Shoulder Shirred, Shirred back ruched, oh my gosh, side satin cami top. And this was $6.54. Okay, so this is the Milkmaid top. Kind of a funny name, but ooh, okay, so far I love it. So this is what it looks like. You just tie that into a bow at the front there. Okay, honestly, you guys, this is probably my favorite top yet out of all of them. Like, oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. And it works perfectly with a strapless nude bra. I can't like see anything going on where that little hole is right there. Oh my gosh, like, I really love this top. I feel so cute and innocent. So this is the tie neck frill trim Milkmaid top. I got in extra small, and with that coupon this was only $9. I mean, come on, I am so happy. Like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, I am excited about this next one. I don't know if it's gonna fit the best, we shall see, but it's just this little strapless crop top. But I love that it has this gold zipper in the back. I think that's just really cute. We'll see. I'm a little weirded out almost that every single thing is working. I really love this top. Here is what the back looks like. I just love that detail. I've been really into wearing gold jewelry, so I feel like that little piece of gold just complements my jewelry. This is actually a yes. I am so happy. This is the zip back crop tube top in the size small. This was $7.36. So I believe this shirt is kind of like that white Milkmaid top. Oh, that's interesting. So with this top, you have to like completely tie this part of it. Let's just put this on. I'm gonna say no. I mean, it's not bad, I don't think, but it's just not very comfortable, and it's super tight right here. Very uncomfortable. And this part is just strange. It just doesn't fit the way that I wanted it to. So hey, I mean, it's pretty good that there is only one no out of all of this so far. So this is the ruffle cuff tie neck rib knit tee. This is an extra small, so it does run small. Size up if you get this top. I think I would definitely like this in a small or even a medium, but this was just $7.36 as well. So I mean, I'm not too upset about it. Unless if I have a bunch of stuff that I want to send back, then I'll send it back. But if it's just this one thing, shorts. I really hope that these are going to be as cute as they looked online. Oh my gosh, there's this huge elastic band in these. Okay, so my light died again, so I hooked up my ring light. I'm sure the lighting looks different than it did before, but we're just gonna carry on. Back to these horrendous shorts. Oh my gosh, I really thought that these would be better. I had hope. I mean, they look really cute on the model. So they are the paper bag waist rolled hem belted denim shorts. I got a small and they were $13. I suppose I will put these on. They really aren't that bad. I would say that they look better on and they do holding it up. I would probably not ever end up wearing these. Maybe I'll send these two back. Now a return might be worth it. Yeah, these are a no. I am excited for this top. I hope it's cute. Okay, so far so good. I don't know which side is the front and which side is the back. It has these really cute, the puff sleeves. You guys already know I said how much I love puff sleeves. So it has those with the little black polka dots on it, and then this material is better than I thought it would be. It's so stretchy and soft. Okay, I'm feeling kind of sad because I was really excited for this top, but it doesn't grip at all down here, so it raises up like that and it doesn't look right. All right, yep, this is going back too. Dang it. I was really excited about this one. Like, look at that. It's so weird. It's like it's uneven and it doesn't stay even regardless of what you do with it. Yeah, this looked way more fitted on the model. So this is the polka dot sleeve plissé crop top in a size small, and this was $9. Yeah, it looked way better on the model. It was like tight right here and not like this. So this one's a flop. Oh, I am excited about this one. I need to stop saying that because now I'm starting to be disappointed. Oh, okay, it's a little bit different than what I was expecting, but the material is pretty. So this is a satin crop top. Then there's some like wires in here so that it just looks cool and fitted on. But the back is smaller than the front. It's just this little like bandeau type of thing almost. This is weirding me out a little bit. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of this right here, and it's like, it's so uncomfortable. Oh my gosh, if I wore this to a restaurant and I was sitting down eating a bunch of tacos, it would not go over well. Yeah, I don't know what to think. I feel like the more I look at it, I end up liking it, but it's just so like uncomfortable, and it's really digging in right here, right above my hips. I really don't know. I feel like I look like Wonder Woman. This is what she would wear. At least the other white zip-up tube top worked, but let's see. This is the satin tube top. I got it in an extra small, and I definitely would have been okay with just a regular small, but this was $9.82. I don't know. Like, it's not that bad, but it's definitely like uncomfortable, and I'd probably feel weird wearing it out in public. You know, like, I don't know. Who just wears this around town in Wisconsin? I gotta think about this one. Okay, then we just have this plain white t-shirt. Definitely more in my comfort zone than this. Oh yes. Okay, so it has these slits on the side, which I thought would be really cute with biker shorts. Let's put this on. I'm just a huge fan of big t-shirts. Even if I only wear this as a nightshirt, I will be very happy. So I do love these slits. I think that is super cute. This is a drop shoulder split size, oversized long tee for $9, and this is a size small. It is so comfy. All right, we have another puff sleeve top. This looks really interesting. Why does it smell like salt and vinegar chips? This is a no. Oh my goodness. This is like not made right. It's just like that other puff sleeve top with the dots on the sleeves. It's not tight enough right around here, so it just like pulls its way up, and it is so uncomfortable in the armpits. Dang it. I was on such a good streak of loving everything that I bought. It's the mesh sleeve zip back crop top. I got it in a size small. This was $9. It does have a cute zipper in the back. The front, like, what is going on? Okay, we finally made it to the last thing. Aw, best for last. Fueled by Jesus and coffee. If that isn't the truth, amen. You know what, guys? I am not gonna try this one on because my camera is dying again. This was the letter graphic short sleeve tee. I got it in a size large, so that would be a little bit oversized, and it was $7.36. So that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching this try on haul. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you did, please just give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Otherwise, everyone stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!